What's going on in the world?
What is going on in the world? You've got Donald Trump, who's never in the news or doing anything good.
Yet he's saving the world.
Yet he's saving the world. Clinton and Obama can do no wrong in the media's eyes.
Does anyone really watch the media?
I don't know.
The mainstream media.
Both our parents.
Yeah, that generation, I guess.
My brother says he does.
Oh.
Just for the weather. But even the weather's wrong.
Yeah. I believe the weather's all collective consciousness.
I believe it's not what we're told it is, that's for sure.
Yeah.
What it is, I don't know.
Geo-engineering.
Could be.
They are geo-engineering.
Oh yeah, they've admitted it.
A quick DuckDuckGo search will prove that.
Yep. They admitted to wanting to try it, quote unquote, even though they've been doing it for years. It's just like them to do it for 10 years and then tell you about it.
Right. Oh, sorry, we've been poisoning you all.
Our bad.
Aluminum, right?
Yeah, aluminum.
Which is known.
It affects your nervous system. Everybody's not feeling good, unhealthy, sick.
We haven't been sick in 4 years.
4 years
Since we changed our lifestyle, our mindset.
Kids included.
Kids included. We haven't been sick in 4 years. It's amazing. Unheard of around here, anyway.
No kidding.
I'm not sure about elsewhere. Everyone was sick this year, you know? Well,
Yeah.
you hear that every winter in Maine, you know? Everyone's got something.
They got the pneumonia vaccine, I see.
I know.
Like, really? Come on.
You know all about vaccines.
That I do. Nothing but good stuff in them.
You were poisoned by the Hep B vaccine.
Hep B. Yep.
What did they find in your system?
Extremely high doses of mercury in my...
Extremely high doses. I was looking at all the research that your mom did.
Yep.
And the test results, and it was off the charts.
Off the charts. It was.
Yeah.
Literally, the charts were this big and it was beyond the chart.
Chelation therapy.
Chelation therapy, yeah,
Cleaned
after,
your blood.
you know, like 6 years of trying to figure out what the hell the problem is.
Right. Thank God for your mother.
No,
They thought you were dying.
they did. I didn't have a clue. I mean, for the most part, you know.
Yeah, crazy. We just got done plowing. How many inches of snow did we get today? Well, last night and today.
12, 14, something like that.
It's a lot.
Be out all night plowing.
That's alright, though. We have fun.
We do. Got the slacking though. Should have put the sander in.
I know. Shoot.
Whoops. That's alright. I'll get a breakfast sandwich in the morning and go to Auburn. Get a coffee. Sip it on the way. You'll probably be right next to me.
Yeah, I thought of that. Coffee with maple syrup and coconut
yeah.
cream. A little bit of nutmeg.
Man, I love our life.
It is amazing.
Like, okay. Today, it's Thursday. Kids didn't have to go to school because of the snow. Neither one of us have a place we have to be.
Right. Their school is only 4 days a week.
School is 4 days a week.
Which is awesome.
Yes, it is. It's private. It costs $3,000. it costs less money to put our kids through private school than it costs